Welcome to Little Junkers. Let's walk through how to book your signature pink dumpster online in just a few easy steps. Start by visiting our website at littlejunkersllc.com. On the homepage, click on Book Now to get started. Choose the dumpster size that fits your needs. We offer the 11-yard Little Junker, the 16-yard Mighty Middler, and the 10-yard Tough Junker. Next, select your desired drop-off and pickup dates from the calendar. Enter the address where you need the dumpster delivered. Choose any additional services you might need, like curbside pickup or disposal dumpster bag removal. Review your order details to ensure everything is correct, then proceed to payment. We accept all major credit cards. Enter your payment details and click Submit. Once your payment is processed, you'll receive a confirmation email with all the details. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at 470-548-4733. Thank you for choosing Little Junkers. We make dumpster rentals easy.